Welcome to STEM Saturday. I'm Miss Linda, and today we are going to make a Spoon-a-Pult. We've heard of catapults. What's a Spoon-a-Pult? Well, a Spoon-a-Pult is a catapult made with a spoon. So if you would have picked up today's bag, you would find, once again, hopefully everything you need. You have instructions, says Spoon-a-Pult. You have your little note journal to write your notes on it. And you will also find your spoon, your craft sticks, and my favorite part, this really fun little colored fuzzball for shooting. What a gorgeous day and what a fun activity to do outside. Even though I don't suggest you spoon-a-pult anything that could hurt somebody, but it's a great outdoor activity regardless. So let's start. We'll do it real quick. This is a very simple project, and ultimately what it's going to end up looking like is this. So we've got the Spoon-a-Pult. If I take it apart, and following the directions, what you're going to do is you are going to take the sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sticks. Gave you lots of colors. Take your sticks, 6 sticks, say that fast 10 times. And put them together like that, very simple. And you are going to wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap. I just kept twisting and twisting and twisting until these are really nice and secure. And you're going to do that to the other end. A fun excuse to be outside. So we're working these all together. So then you're going to do the other side. We're going to twist and twist and twist and twist and twist. You want to have them very sturdy so they stay together. Then you're going to take your other stick, lucky number 7, and I am going to slide it. Slide it like right in the middle, kind of in between like the bottom one and the rest, like this. So, putting it all together, very simple, quick process. 6 out of the 7 sticks. Put them together, got my rubber bands, and I'm gonna just wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap until they're nice and secure. Oh, what a beautiful day to make a Spoon-a-Pult. And the other end, wrap and wrap and wrap until it's secure. Take the 7th stick, the last stick, and we are going to put it, these are so secure, you're going to slip it in between the bottom stick and the other sticks. So I'm sliding it in. Okay, like that. Then let's take my spoon and I'm going to slide this kind of more towards the middle-ish, a little less, like this. Kind of put it down. Then what I'm going to do and line up my spoon, very simple, and let's secure it around and around and around and around and around. Hence, here you go, your Spoon-a-Pult. Well, let's make sure it works. Thought this would be fun on a gorgeous day. Now you can either do it with your puffball. Let's try it. Ooh. So I've got it in my spoon and I'm going to bend it back and it's going to go flying. So we'll see if I can get it to fly at the camera. Oh, that was so lame. Let's try it again. That was extremely lame. Wow. It worked. It flew all the way over there. So have some fun with your Spoon-a-Pults. Other things that you could use, little balls of foil, little balls of paper, and my favorite, marshmallows. I've got a little baby marshmallow and a normal size marshmallow. Let's see how they go. Oh, into the bushes. Maybe the birds will like that. And here's a heavier one. Let's see. Right over the camera and into the bushes. So you can be outside and catapult Spoon-a-Pult away. Hope you enjoyed Spoon-a-Pult STEM Science.